A lot of people these days are very interested in making YouTube channels and get into this online content creation platform. Either it be like video game streaming or podcasting or vocalist, you might be a singer, anything of your choice. But if you do not have like proper equipment, right, obviously you're not gonna get like pro results. So if you're also looking for something similar, you people came to the right video. Today in the house, I have something very interesting from Shure. Now you people know about Shure, right? It's a very popular brand and is like quite renowned for this dynamic microphones. And this is not the first time we're actually checking out Shure products. We've reviewed plenty of stuff, and I've personally seen like variety of their items, like their SM57, SM58 microphones, and even the recent MV7 podcast microphone, guys. You'll find the videos on my channel. Today they've actually launched a brand new active dynamic microphone called the SM7dB. Now there was already a SM7 series microphone available in the market. They had SM7A, SM7B as well, and SM7B is considered like a legendary dynamic microphone, guys, and it's been there in the market I think for more than 50 years, guys. It's like a very popular brand and a favorite for a lot of creators, podcasters. And let me tell you a fun fact, this particular microphone was actually used by Michael Jackson, guys, for their Thriller album. Now imagine what sort of mic it would have been that Michael Jackson used it. So thing with SM7B is, as I've told you, it's a dynamic microphone, and you cannot use these dynamic microphones like a simple USB mic or 3.5mm microphone. It's a pro level stuff I'm talking about. It's got an XLR audio interface, and you'll basically need to add like a preamplifier or professional level mixer in between and supply it with a 60 dB of gain to get it working. And that was actually a bit difficult for regular consumers or content creators. And that is where to actually solve this problem, in 2023 Shure has launched this all new SM7dB, guys, and this is an active dynamic microphone. So what they've done is, instead of consumers going and buying separate preamplifiers, right, they've actually included an active preamplifier within the microphone only, guys, and that, my friends, is magic for you. So what it does is it eliminates all these extra steps and makes it like a very simple all-in-one solution for you people. You simply need to give like 48 volt phantom power to the built-in preamplifier, and that's it. Bam, your microphone is like all good to go, and you can get the same legendary audio experience of the SM7B on this new SM7dB as well. So I'm like very excited to unbox and show you this brand new product in this video. So basically in this video I'll give you a complete overview on the product. We'll talk about all of its technical specifications, features that you're getting, and also give you like a full sound quality demo of this microphone as well. It's gonna be like a very informative session. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our brand new Shure SM7dB came in this sort of box packaging, and by the way, we actually have a pre-production unit over here, and that is the reason this might not be the final box packaging, guys. In the market, once it comes out, right, you might get a different sort of packaging. Anyways, it still mentions SM7dB model on the box, and you have a simple Shure logo to the side. Quickly unboxing it, there you go. Here's how the content and the package looks like. You have a picture of the product at the top, followed by a Shure sticker as well. I actually have like a couple of these at my place. Keeping that aside, let me also show you what else we get in the package. Looks like some accessories. You're getting a cable tie with the Shure branding, pretty useful, I'd say. And there you go, boys, the much awaited active dynamic microphone, Shure's all new SM7dB. And holy mother of tech, look at the whole design over here. And initial impressions, it kind of actually looks very similar to their SM7B, guys, but you do have the SM7dB model mentioned on it. We'll just come back to this microphone in a moment. Keeping that aside, you're also getting a 5/8 to 3/8 inch converter. A windscreen is also there. Basically, you're getting two different windscreens included. So one must be your heavier side pop noise filter, and the other one is a default one installed on the microphone. Now let me give you like a closer look at the product and talk about the design and build quality. So here's how the Shure SM7dB microphone looks like. I've told you, right, this is an active dynamic microphone, and initial impressions, it kind of looks very similar to their SM7B microphone, guys. It's a dynamic low impedance microphone and definitely feels solid in the hand. Easily weighs around like 750-800 grams. And look at the mount as well. You're getting an improved yoke mount over here. So using this, you can easily attach it to a mic stand, and plus you can even use that adapter, right? Different sort of mounting options are there. And above that, this is your audio interface used to connect this microphone to your equipment. So basically you're getting a balanced XLR audio interface. Let me actually remove this pop noise filter and show you how the actual cartridge looks like. So here's how the dynamic microphone looks like, guys. You're getting the same dynamic cartridge that is found on the SM7B series microphone. So it's practically the same microphone as I've told you, guys. You'll get the same sort of vocal experience over here also. The only difference, as I've told you, right, this particular model comes with a built-in active preamplifier. Also, are you guys looking at this entire metal cage across the cartridge? So this offers like full magnetic shielding, and also the microphone comes with built-in humbucking coil as well, so it doesn't attract any sort of disturbances or interference in the audio. Let me just quickly put on that other heavier pop noise filter and show you how it looks like. Having a closer look at the backside, here you actually have some controls and buttons as well. You also have some EQ options as well. This right slide switch is used for presence boost. So down is your flat EQ, and if you push it up, you'll get like a presence boost. Slightly mid to high frequencies are increased and emphasized. And your left switch, I believe, is a low cut filter or bass roll off. So you can easily adjust them and tune your audio as per your requirement. Below that, it also comes with like a direct bypass switch. So for example, if you don't want to use a built-in preamplifier, right, you can simply slide the switch to bypass mode, and that's it. It becomes your regular SM7B microphone only. The microphone also has a gain adjust switch where you can switch between plus 18 dB or plus 28 dB as per your requirement. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the microphone, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright boys, what is happening? It's been a couple of days. I've been using this brand new Shure SM7dB active dynamic microphone at my studio, and right now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. We'll also talk about how I set it up and connected it to my camera and other equipment, and also we'll talk about all of its features, controls available on this particular product. First of all, let me tell you how I set it up, guys. So basically I've connected this Shure SM7D microphone directly to my Sony FX3 camera. Now that is because it's a cine camera, right? You get plenty of accessories available. Sony makes like a dedicated XLR handle accessory only, where it has like XLR inputs, and you simply need to connect a cable from the microphone to that handle, and that's it. Bam! It has like a built-in 48 volt phantom power as well that will directly drive the built-in preamplifier, and there is nothing else you need to do, guys. There is no in-between preamplifier, no mixer that I've used. I'm directly using this microphone and recording the audio into the camera, guys, and here's how it sounds like. And not just cameras, you can even connect this dynamic microphone directly to your computer or even a laptop, guys. There are plenty of digital audio interface accessories available in the market, and Shure also makes a very own accessory. I think it's called the MV XTU. XTU basically stands for XLR to USB, and it's a very small accessory, guys, and not that expensive also. Simply get something like that and connect this microphone to your PC, install their Motive software, and that's it. You're all set. And that is how you can get started with your professional quality game streaming or maybe like podcasting and these sort of stuff. So first of all, let me tell you about the specs and configuration of this particular microphone. So Shure's SM7dB, as I've told you, is an active dynamic microphone and has a cardioid polar pickup pattern. If you talk about the frequency response range, it's from 50 Hz to 20 kHz, and basically here's how the audio on it sounds like. As I've told you guys, the audio that you're hearing in this video is a raw, untouched audio format that is directly being recorded into the camera, and I haven't done anything. So what do you think about the overall audio quality? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Hello, check 1 2 3. Hey guys, Vimal here. We are checking out this brand new Shure SM7dB dynamic microphone in our studio, and also if you can observe, background noise rejection on this microphone is absolutely minimum. I mean, just let me be silent for a second. You guys hear that? Absolute silence, right? It's a beautiful microphone, guys. And not only that, so this is mostly like a close range vocal dynamic microphone. You'll need to use this microphone from somewhere around say 1 inches to 6 inches range, and based on my experience, it was giving best possible results when you were speaking from around like 4 to 5 inches from the head of the microphone. Let me just come close to the microphone and speak directly into the cartridge and show you how it sounds like. Hello, check 1 2 3. Vimal here, guys, and right now we are reviewing Shure's brand new SM7dB active dynamic microphone. So here's how it sounds like. What do you think, people? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you go a bit away from the microphone, here's how it's gonna sound like. Right now we're I think around like 7 to 8 inches away from the microphone, so it might get a bit thinner, right, the audio and also the low frequency response. So that is basically how it's gonna sound depending on the range that you're speaking. And remember, I've told you that it has a cardioid polar pickup pattern, so it's mostly like directional, picks up audio mostly from the front area only and a little bit from the left and right side. So let me also show you how the polar pickup pattern range is. Hello, check 1 2 3. Hello, check. So right now we're at the complete left profile and back again onto the front side, and now we're moving over to the right side over here. Hello, check 1 2 3. So guys, now you might get an idea, right? And suppose if you're standing behind the microphone, right, the pickup is going to be very less. So let me just quickly show that as well. Alright, if you can see right now we're speaking exactly opposite of the microphone, and here's how it sounds like. Alright, so that was about the polar pickup pattern, and let me also tell you about the audio quality. Audio quality of this microphone is absolutely beautiful, guys. I mean, it was producing natural sounding results. I mean, if you actually talk to me in person, right, this is how I actually sound in reality. I love those warm vocals you are getting over here, and also look at that presence over there, guys. The audio clarity, it's like awesome. Even the background noise rejection is very minimum. You'll get like pro level results if you're going to use this microphone at your studio. And also, if you actually turn off that preamplifier, if you don't need that built-in preamplifier, right, it basically becomes the same SM7B microphone that you already had in the market. So that was our complete overview on this microphone. Let me also quickly change the EQ options at the backside and show you basically what happens. The audio that you are listening to right now was set to like flat EQ profile, guys. Everything was off right now. And preamplifier gain was set to plus 28 dB. You also have a slide switch option to plus 18 dB. You can set it as per your requirement and depending on the scenario. I'll leave that up to you. Okay, so let me just quickly toggle this bass roll off slide switch. There you are, just enabled it. And here's how it's gonna sound like. You might already feel the difference in the audio, right? So this is basically used to reduce any sort of low frequency sounds or disturbances in your surrounding environment. For example, there's AC running in your room, right? You want to reduce that sound, you can simply enable this toggle switch, or maybe even like fan noise or low frequency construction sounds, these sort of stuff. Or maybe if you want to thin down your voice a bit, you want to reduce that bass, you can toggle this slide switch. And the other EQ option is called as presence boost. So this is basically used to boost your mid to high frequencies, I would say. If you want to increase your vocal presence in your audio, right, you can use this switch. Or maybe if you're using that other windscreen we got in the package, right, that thicker one, so when you use that, right, obviously your mid frequencies will slightly reduce there. If you want to get back your vocal presence in the audio, you can simply enable this presence boost, and here's how it's gonna sound like. Hello, check 1 2 3. I hope you people got like full information about basically all the controls available on this microphone and what do they exactly do. And one more thing I have to mention is this microphone has like excellent dynamic range, guys. Some singers usually have like wide dynamics, they sing like very low and at the same time they go like really loud. And in those scenarios, if you have like a simple condenser microphone, right, obviously audio will get distorted if you speak loudly into the microphone. That is not the case over here. No matter how loudly you speak into this microphone, right, nothing like that will happen. So that is definitely a plus point, I would say. Basically, that was our complete overview on this microphone, guys. I hope you people got like full information about this product. It's great for like wide variety of applications. It's basically bringing like studio quality audio to your home. You can use it for like game streaming purpose. You can use it for podcasting, or even if you're like a singer, you can record like professional quality sound sitting at your home. Either it be like on your PC, laptop, or even directly into your camera as well. And as I've told you, best part is you don't need to use any sort of inline preamplifier over here, because it has like built-in preamplifier. You only need to supply it with like a 48 volt phantom power and you're all set for recording professional quality sound. So talking about the price point, I'm still not sure about the pricing in Indian market, because while making this video, this product was actually under embargo, so you'll have to wait a little bit of time. Once I get all the pricing details, I'll obviously keep you guys posted in the comment section and description box as well, and let you know about the availability also in the description box below. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got full information about the product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.